If there is an argument between marketers about which is the best method to promote your business, someone will surely say that it is social media. Nowadays, social medias are filled with so many different types of people, and among these people, you are surely going to find the right audience that are interested in your business, interested to buy your products. But the problem is you cannot really attract them towards your products if you are not active on social media. And to be active on this platform, you must share different types of posts or share different types of photos regarding your business so that you can attract more audience. But the problem is when we are taking care of a business, we do not really have much time to invest on social media, and this is exactly where the Sococal tool comes in handy. So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. So I'm back with another review, and let's talk about Sococal. So this is a content creator that is going to generate 30-day social media content calendar, and the best part is it only takes some seconds to do this task. So what are you going to get on that 30-day social media content calendar? First of all, you are going to get the visual ideas, which means what types of images you should use, and then you are also going to get the perfect caption according to those images, and there are even some hashtags recommended by Sococal so that you can have more reach on social platforms. As you can see, there are over 200 customers of Sococal. They have over 350 calendars, and the most interesting part is people have saved over 6,000 hours, which is really important if you are an active businessman. And just see how easy it is to create the content calendar for 30 days with this tool. You just have to follow these 4 steps. These steps are going to take only a seconds, and then you will be set for 1 month of content for social media. A great news is Sococal.ai is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So instead of the regular pricing of $120, you can only pay $19 and you will have the lifetime access to this tool. Sococal.ai is an alternative to Copy.ai and Jasper. Now let's have a look at the plans of this tool. So there is a light plan that costs $19 and you will get 4 credits every month, and it means you can generate 4 content calendars. And on the elite plan, the cost is $38 and the credit amount is 8 credits, and there is an extra feature which is the regenerate individual post. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, check the link in the description below. Sococal also has subscription plans, and as you can see, here are those. After you log into Sococal, you will get this page, and on this section you have to fill some boxes, such as you have to provide your brand name and a description about your brand, and you also have to provide the URL of your website. For example, I have a auto blogging website, which means in that website I talk about cars. So let's fill all these boxes according to that. So as you can see, I have filled all these boxes, and now let's click on next. Now I have to provide some additional info about my brand, such as the ideal customer demographic for my brand and the interest of the ideal customers. So as you can see, according to my brand, which is Autoblog, I have provided some ideal customer demographic. I have also filled the boxes about the interest of my customers. So now let's click on next, and on this section I have to provide some information about the visual direction of my brand. So I have to provide the visual style, the brand color, and the tone of voice. So as you can see, I have written down some visual styles, and then I have to choose the brand color. I am going to keep it black color, and then I can also choose the tone of voice. It could be very useful for captions. So let's select witty and then humorous and also empathetic. Now let's click on submit, and we are going to get a 30-day content calendar for our social media. So if you want your content calendar to be more specific, you can set a goal for the month. For example, you can describe the goal for a specific month. You can also highlight any special occasion. If the content calendar that you are generating for a month has any occasions, you can provide that in this box. You can also add some specific products or services to these sections if you want, and this way the content calendar is going to advertise those products and services. You can also add as many products as you want from this add another one section, and then you have to select generate a content calendar for the social platform. So it could be Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter. Let's keep it Instagram, and then you can also select the calendar starting date. So now let's click on generate. So the content calendar for a whole month is ready now. As you can see, this is the day 1, which is starting from May 22. So this is the visual idea, and then there is a caption, and there are some hashtags for better reach on social platforms. In terms of using these visual ideas, you can read this whole idea and then choose an image according to that. If you do not want to go through that hassle, you can simply copy this visual idea and then paste it on Midjourney or any other image generation website, and you will get an eye-catchy image according to this post. So something interesting is that there are even emojis on the caption. So overall, I think the content calendar is perfect, and as you can see, the content calendar is for whole 30 days. And if you read the visual idea or the caption and also the hashtags, you will see that all of them are related to automobiles, which I chose as my brand. So overall, I think Sococal.ai is an excellent tool if you want to generate a content calendar for a whole month, and I think it is going to save you a lot of time if you're someone who is constantly busy with your business and if you do not have enough time to invest on social media. I really like how they provide proper captions, visual ideas, even hashtags in those posts of 30-day calendar. And a very interesting thing is that you can even paste those visual ideas on any AI image generator and you will get eye-catchy images. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the 2 plans that you can buy. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.